Alright, welcome to Cooking Conspiracy, and we're peeling tomatoes today. What you want to do is make an X on the bottom of your tomatoes. Does not have to be deep, just a shallow cut. Alright, now you have a pot of water boiling, just water. Put your tomato in for about a minute. Remove from the boiling water, put directly into a bowl of cold water. Colder the better. Remove from the ice water, and the skin will peel right away. Alright, I'm going to use these tomatoes in a pasta sauce, so I'm going to crush them up. I'm going to stab them a little bit just to make sure that the tomatoes don't get too excited and hit you in the face with the juice. Nobody wants a shot to the eye. And just crush them with my hands. I'll do this with them all. I mean, I like using my hands. Makes it real easy to get, whatever this thing's called, but you don't want it. The stem, I guess. As you can see, we got some squirters. Alright. This will cook down the rest of the way when I use that sauce.